The first presentation has just been announced. It goes to Kwesi Asma. A better performance, and indeed a sterling performance. And then officials of the game follow in that order. Don't forget the gentlemen, but they played their hearts out. Congratulations to this young team, and according to Coach Sule, he says he's taking his time to put this team together, picking up their medals. Good job done. A 1-0 victory over their arch rivals, Accra Great Olympics. Over to Nigan, and this will also be handed over to
now, ladies and gentlemen,
Mr. Esibe.
Will hand the trophy to the captain of the Accra Hearts of Oak side.
Osei Esibe receives his work.
Let's make some
the winners of the 2025 Democracy Cup
11. Accra
is none other than Accra Hearts of Oak. Congratulations to the Phobians.
Your champion.